Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Wealth Instructor. Today we shall guide you on updating your EPFO KYC online. If you are an employee who contributes to the EPF, you to proceed with your KYC update in EPF UN, you must have an universal account number linked with your KYC details. KYC or Know Your Customer is verifying the identity and address of customers by service providers. Updating your KYC for EPF Online can help you access various services. Let's guide you through the process of EPFO KYC update online using your UAN. To proceed with your KYC update in EPF UAN, you must have an active UAN and registered contact number. You must also have scanned copies of your KYC documents such as Aadhaar, PAN, passport and bank account details. Follow these steps if you are wondering how to update bank details in EPFO or any other details. For KYC update, please log into this site first, epfindia.gov.in. Then you have to go to this KYC updation member. After clicking, you will get this type of page. This is the URL. You can find it here. Directly you can also go to this unified portal mem.epfindia.gov.in. Then you have to provide your UAN ID and password. Now I have already logged in to my account. Now you can see there are home, view, manage, account and online services. To update KYC, you have to log into this manage. After drop down this manage, you will find joint declaration, contact details, KYC, e-nomination, mark exit. So here you have to update the KYC. After clicking KYC, you can see add KYC, currently active KYC, then KYC pending for approval and rejected KYC. As here I have already activated my KYC details. So this is the details, it is already in active KYC. For you, if you have not done the KYC, then you have to move to this add KYC. What KYC you want to do, you have to fill up that form. After filling the form, your KYC will appear like this, currently active KYC. It will take around 14-15 days to activate your KYC. Addition to that, if you want to do bank KYC, PAN, passport, everything you can do. Here you can see my bank, Aadhaar and PAN. I have already done the KYC. One more thing, an OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile while submitting KYC. When you submit your KYC, either you log into this site or you submit anything like submit KYC, your Aadhaar link mobile you will get an OTP and from there you have to log in. Otherwise you may not able to log in. So first thing you have to do, you have ensure that your Aadhaar linked mobile number with you. After that only you can do all other activities. I hope you understand the KYC process. Now let's see how to update your profile. To profile update, you have to click this view. After clicking view, you can see the profile. Here you can see you can update your complete profile. For example, here you can see your date of birth, gender, everything, all the details of yours is here. So anything you want to do, you can change from here. Like if you want to see your UN card, you can click here and you can see your UN card. And you can even download this one, your UN card. And sometimes while changing company, they always ask for this service history. So you can check this service history from view, and from service history you can check your all services from there. Here you can see in service history that different service history is updated in my case. You can also check your service history. I hope you understand all these things. Updating your KYC for EPF Online has several benefits for you as a member. By updating your KYC for EPF Online, you can access various services offered by the EPFO, such as online withdrawal, transfer and claim settlement. You do not need to visit the EPF office or submit any physical documents for these services. One of the rules for withdrawing money from the EPF is that the withdrawal happens before completing 5 years of service. The amount will be subject to a TDS of 10%, provided that it exceeds Rs 50,000. However, this TDS can be avoided by submitting Form 15G and H, the PAN and the withdrawal request. By updating your KYC for EPF Online, You can receive timely and accurate communication from the EPFO regarding your EPF account. You can also update your priorities for receiving SMS and email alerts from the EPFO. Thank you for watching.